How to add email account to Outlook. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. After that, launch the Play Store and check if you have an updated version of Outlook application. So as you can see on the screen, there is no option of update, which means we have the latest version of Microsoft Outlook. So we're just going to tap on open. And as we tap on open, it will land us to the home page of Outlook application. So here you basically get two options, to add account and to create new account. So we're going to tap on add account, and here we're going to select on one of this email and then tap on continue. As I select the account that we want to associate and tap on continue, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection so that you have the process of adding your email account to Outlook faster. So just wait for a while, and after a few seconds, the process of adding the email account to Outlook will be succeeded. So just tap on your account and give the continue option. Tap on continue again. And the process of authentication is going on. So just wait for a while. And after that, you're just done. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.